Alright guys, today with Tsunami Hydrographics. Today we're going to be dipping the cabinet door. I've already got it prepped. Got a base coat on it, and I caulked around all of the detail edges for the trim. Key of these is keeping the moisture away from the wood. Even though you prime it, seal it, the water has a way of getting into anything. And when it does, it's going to swell your grain, and you're going to have nothing but problems later on. So, we're going to hit it with 3 coats of Hydrographics. It's a wood film. Grab that door. See, we caulked up all the inside edges here. Use a latex, paint sticks to it, no problem. Going in. A little bit of an angle when you go in. Don't trap air on the detail. I'm going to angle it one more time and going out. Nice and slow. So get all that detail around it. Let's see how we do. Same spot as it did before. Anyway, we got one little bubble there, or something, or maybe it was a bubble in the water or something. That's a touch-up. Nope. Not a bubble. Overactivated. Just a hair. I still can touch that up. Anyway, main thing is to rinse these off as soon as possible. Take your tape off the back of it so that there's no moisture sticking to it for a longer amount of time than you need to, and they'll be fine. But if you let them sit around with this, especially with the paper and the water in the back, water will find a way to get inside in between the detail, which is this is an extra piece that they molded and stapled on. Water gets inside of that, and you've got nothing but problems down the line. So seal it off, take your time, and keep it dry if you can. Need not to trap some air, so we're going to go at a little bit of an angle when we go in. If you guys have seen my videos, I like to go slow, not too much of a hurry. See if we didn't trap any air on that. Just got a little bit of touch up right there. Okay. You can see, got a pretty good hit. Got one corner right there where I trapped a little air, but that ain't nothing to touch up. My camera's underneath that. I'll move that out of the way for you. There you go. Now you should be able to see. Got pretty good coverage all the way around it. Little extra activator. And a little touch up right there around the corners and edges. These are 2 dips if you're going to do the front and back. So when they open up the cabinet door, you've got it completely dialed in. I've just got this taped off, and I will tape the rest of it up and bring it back around to it. And customers really like them. Anyway, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. Check us out at tsunamihydrographics.com. We're checking out.